Inshallah, let's learn how to set up Ajax WP from submission with GTM, Google Ads conversion and GA4 Event Tracking. At first, we set up GA4 Event Tracking, then Google Ads conversion. Navigate to Google Tag Manager account. Move on tag. New tag configuration. Then select Google tag. Paste here GA4 measurement ID. For this measurement ID, navigate to Google GA4 account. Move on admin. Then data stream. Click on container. Here we got our GA4 measurement ID. Copy as it is and paste here. Since the measurement ID is a constant and does not change, and we need to use this measurement ID repeatedly, navigating GA4 account and copy paste repeatedly, it can be very annoying. That's why we create a variable for the GA4 measurement ID. For this, click on plus icon. Again plus icon. Variable configuration is called a bit and select constant and paste here GA4 measurement ID. Name the variable. Then save. Move on configuration settings. Then add parameter. Type here send. Select send underscore page underscore view and value should be true. Must be lowercase. Then triggering initialization all page as well. Name the tag. Then save. Now move on variable. Inside built-in variable, configure. Enable all of click variables. Then move on triggers. New triggers configuration and save these two triggers all elements and just link. Let's preview. Must be enter here website URL, then connect. Let's submit our form. Here we can see the page did not reload and the success message showed up right after we submitted the form. This means it's a WP Ajax form. Now we create a tag for WP Ajax forms listener code. That's why move on tag. New tag configuration is called a bit and select custom HTML. Paste here WP Ajax from listener code and triggering. Select initialization all page. Name the tag. Then save. Let's go again preview mode. Continue and submit the form again. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode. Here we see WP from underscore submit event. We will use this event to create a trigger. Back to Google Tag Manager. Move on triggers. New trigger configuration. Call a bit and select custom event and event name. Back to Google Tag Manager preview mode and copy event name and paste here. Name the trigger. Then save. Now we create a tag. New tag configuration. Google Analytics. Google Analytics GA4 event and select variable that we created for GA4 measurement ID and event name. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode and copy event name. Then paste here. Scroll a bit and triggering. Select Ajax WP from submit trigger that we created previously. Name the tag. Then save. Let's go preview and check our tag trigger work properly or not. Continue. Move on our website and submit the form again. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode. Here we see our WP from submit event and also our tag fired. Let's check if GA4 is receiving data properly. Select event. Yes, it's done. Also we check from GA4 debug view, admin, inside the data display, debug view. Also here we are satisfied our work. Let's back to Google Tag Manager and submit our work. Name the version, then publish. Our Ajax WP from submission with GA4 Event Tracking is done. Now we set up Ajax WP submission with Google Ads conversion. Navigate to Google Ads account, then move on goals summary and scroll a bit. Click on create conversion action. We set up conversion for WP from submission from the website. So we choose website. If you want to set up for app, phone calls, offline and other, you can choose the one you need. Scan our website URL. Scroll a bit and click on add a conversion action manually. We create conversion submit lead from and conversion action optimization option. For service business, the most valuable action is as usually a lead from submission. That's why we keep it as a primary. Then conversion name. Scroll a bit. For lead from submission conversion tagging, it's recommended to select don't use value for this conversion action. Use the same value for each conversion. In e-commerce business, when we sell only a single product on the website at the same price, and when we set up conversion tracking for multiple products and select use different values for each conversion, and count should be 1. Recommended for leads, sign-ups and other conversion because only the first interaction is valuable. And click through conversion window, engaged view conversion window, view through conversion window, attribution I keep it as it is. If you want to change it, click on drop down menu and change as your wish. And enhanced conversion should be enabled. Then click on run. We have create a conversion for our lead from submission. Then save and continue. Move on, use Google Tag Manager. Here we got our conversion ID and conversion label below the our conversion name. Move on Google Tag Manager. Now we will create conversion linker tag. That's why go to tags, new, tag configuration and select conversion linker. Triggering, initialization all page. Name the tag. Then save. Now we create Google Ads base code tag. Move on tag, new, tag configuration, select Google tag and type here AW hyphen and paste here conversion ID without space, and triggering should be initialization all page and name the tag. Then save. Now we create tag for lead from submission. That's why tag, new, tag configuration, Google Ads, Google Ads conversion tracking and paste here conversion ID. And conversion level. And select trigger that we created when we set up GA4 Event Tracking. Name the tag. Then save. Let's preview, continue, move on our website and submit the form again. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode. Here we see our all tag fired properly. Back to Google Ads account and click on Run. Here we see our conversion inactive. Let's refresh the page. Now show here no recent conversion. When visitor submit the form through Google Ads, then data will be displayed. Let's see how to set up conversion method setup from Google Tag to Google Tag Manager. Move on Goals, then Settings, then Enhanced Conversion. Click on drop down menu, then select Google Tag Manager, then save. Now show here manage through Google Tag Manager. Back to Google Tag Manager. We are happy with our work. Let's finally submit our work. Name the version, then publish. Our Ajax WP from submission with GTM, Google Ads conversion and GA4 Event Tracking setup done.